Duzela. Warma ya pubana kakubana ni ya saya. Tabarakallah. Tuli tiya palla alkauli ma ya dani yadda da tiyan pomo ka pa jafara na kan kutura na tatamlana tin mollan mun tin mina sa hanye fiye titi da wun gafara ka ta kana tizante da talabo sun yanya tin to pal alkauli shaltin ba ma sa shal kamza ha ma yara mu yesu ka fi burfune su ka ta burfune ka su pan man funu karanin ma har ta nan man ban nan da afana lafina ma za a gaba da ya ka ta pan man funu karanin ma ya to ma hey jabbar na gan kutura na ta tamlan ma o kadar ya punu karanin ma ya ka ta lafsar gansu pa wani jama'an da turu da ma da simsimi kan muno ya ka sa'atu okay tun pu bana ma ba sababi ya punu ka ta kana ta lahnya tun pu ka pa pa yo ka be kan tanga kan nan ka tar ka ba NTV din chan program ma na barka nan ya ta pu ya ka pa pam okay sahama ba galsu sun wata tafsir mun yin bono Muhammad Hafiz aka G-Face shi tobi na nyasi yanka bilicin bitti baka bisan karaso goble gumbarle da twarle annab no hungaram wari ya pupa na ti bozo ka so palaga karma la nyala ko nyoro chongole ya ti ma ka bang na balama apia ayanga atuzo na po hanzo sama ti bozo bir ngoma abanya ala manam kamunu chan makashira annab Yusuf Shifa biyan biya karafune no dirgo so to gobla alquran no kun fa yakunu no sa so ka tabab kafane no kanna ala tabarakallah dare ma ka goma ya dani NTV agobte sama ma jani abaciram ababaram abagabe ka yibele se ka hay bala ya na gan kudurana na tatamla na min asan akatare ka taban ya mala ka sa'tele kamel ga dole talanyale na tire amfani ya amfani ma galsiya masahashar kamza han yarame ya TV stations kuma da biyala balbo amma TV te sama ma nguna na won gafara da gama ka dumba nan bance na karafu ne har ti yin fi program na mason an da yin ta na won gafara tun kalfiya ka san ban yin ta wannan ban na ba filin da ba na ku yi mudin cana don wurin number 1 star number na don gode na yi mele ta ka zan na biya da na subhana bai ka zan bi washu na subhana hey yine jangun ma ma ko ka zai to yallin jawa yes ka kansila biyar ya na yurnum saha ka fine biyar na bilcin su saha malaga gballab na no of God talent tanya programs pa tanya sama kosi dirma asafeli saha you know teacher ma program all right yes NTV yala kan kan wo rama ya and again I mean TV testa shel don ko yu ka ban ka present ka bazo yu wa yo chen magba NTV na yala ya da ban pam ya ne da gom bi parti ya so ko fale na nga fara on da ne bi ya den ye shambala ni salmi ku ko bi barci ka fitila wo ogun wo barci shamanda kun ya yi pa no guru ka gogo bi ha da paladin lu na min yin nahila no ku bien ma da ku tutum se garmo shirle ya yes da zo kan da yala yiri nan ka ma tika ya tino jihirme da goyen ko mu yo jihirme ko tili pu ka pulan yan yin so aka swai no babu to kun la din chan program su ma ya spirit ma di ka ne so da war no organize spirit ma so al war na zo più battery job ne spirit ma na kana yes ba de karabia no bu furma de karabia din ya shambala yes yo maka bebe kantan kagba NTV din chan program ma kaman pun yala ma yes menasin full spices and tapali si tomato mix lalan yala ka Mr. Red Mutus ne Institute of African Art and Technology ka bebe ara sekiti ma pun ka program ma ka da kan ma ya amine sa hashal biyan tan da headline stories ka sa hashal biyan ka tan da irin interviews ye to amani jandi shelbe din man suge din jandi suma ka ta to ne pia ka ta minu po hati yu tabakati nyanya zumo iya no la double track system ma mala two interviews nan one interview ma na yen shi ma mukulu ya pulu tamal gunyi bulu yulim bala ton biya yon nda gabra ma bala ma ka targa beni pulu ka burgu beni pulu ba di ko nye shel kamza agba jisu na yiru ma san chan halti tu kumpun ba tulli beni ma ya ala ka bulu no meji la particular meji mo ma antu tin is a great guy. Then I know the program Gurguma. I mean, he was all around. He supported heavily, and of course, we drop la yiri palle ka bolle la particular yiri ngoma ne big pane ya saya. Dinun ka ninta affordable a woman. I mean, aninta aka salemu nti salemu numbu ma nguna ne big panambala watu nyala nguntuga ngunzanya uzanya. Ulaka reasons to explain. Lalaka meji salmu pama lalata item ngoma yes tin kana tele nyanya meji no drop yi shel ngoma was behind the song and yila ma bule nyele wula nyele ka seni yila mata yuma ka bibi kan tinga ka ba nan afana de ya all right ti yini ma ne ka ten cameras ma around ya ngara mamman phone ya yes super sabi ni ma ne kambulo mero yu apa yes one of the greatest talented artists shelton mala the underrated talented artist shelton mal in the original balama munu worka yindi ya na nga faraka lyrics man you yele munu nyanguna Iswahim the number 1 yes aya Mimia, yes, Antotin Iswahim da yele no in dropla album, la particular album ma the list ma da yele dingina midweek mbalama and this time around T and yele la track list ma yeto a ka drop first song intro song ma in the album ma do yiri shanga punjina ka beri puna as compensation mean irin wula and support team ma yuma but intro song ma the yele din drop song tapsil mo ya ka Rahim Bol la particular song ma my life lela ku bol ya okay lela 2 interviews ma ka tiyan no zo ma pu yira yezo spirit ma de borman nan kama wula de pala baba tu kuma pulun wa ka tu ku katiya nan ka bol na pele na tinya to zo program ma chan ya yes but quick one ma pu yira yin di la talan kan labna min meji interview ma ne ni first then after that ma ka min Iswahim ka interview ma ba kana ya but you can take ga no so dapselmo ni makasio program shell on bagi no le hideout ma very well yes hideout ma zungo asibro nyele la particular program ya de sodin ka bi yo be kantama yes nyin ko mele meshele na won ga farati ku yi program ma na age tinyela ban sergar ya polo yeah banvum side ma ba aku ya banvum ne to agba ku chama atukun ka pim mera to nyin zani ni mane ya hideout mbalama ya bi atukunya kanyu hatura to nyin bang na hideout ka papa ma yes table for VIP manjele ya mama kan feel ma ya anto ni tune concert ma na ma I mean there was a whole lot around the show ma no da samson the tune concert ma di nan kazanla man ta punyara yeta bang pam yan na param fiamo kurwa ya yes da bang pam min yan ni cham pam chimdo lalam balama so din nan kala particular tune concert ma nagi tele yen lapsama na ante lapsata ma belia then you all white after party lele the tune concert mo makasio all white after party mo ma yen no la ya polo man pon yela ye hideout ka yen no ya di nan ki nye big upes kama ki ni tre ma yen de la table for 5 ma table for VIP 5 ma yela 1000 Ghana cedi 1000 Ghana cedi ka ba arrange a table you need 5 yen ben champagne yen biara ne ka bumbo na mbiri pune yes lala irin dren shama da wohre da mama di bian me kana ce another table for VVIP ka ka nye 2000 into lan de la table ma yin ki ne bi kuran bala ma janyanya to ban client to ban meeting mis na mal problem ma wa mutane tun to dile but this time around din ka mi la sin min ka min yara chan ben ga be kama like a bitcoin tumne tuma fen yalanga anto kana ti dile la particular 2000 ma to te bammi kunya e many more sa ya yila karchan ma na won gafara ticket man yala 30 Ghana cedi ka yewe 9 pm kare ya start kama to kujiango di ku to biela shima de yankum me pilia 9 pm till you drop it is hideout makasio all right after party all right ti en chele mesel ni aka de talan kallamna ti labna to men me ji man pu yala you drop la jil palle ka bolle ne bi pane de ka ti en drop ti nage ka Iswahim ga kana with Lions King album maya de chan kantana de chana NTV de labna
gadam am ya shishe din ci ababa borin bindirmuna
ayo
to zuwa yin ya la shishe din jan ababa borin to ba fam ne to ka baba di oyen yellow na pam ba hale ka tuma lo yepti bulu
papi yeah na gwaro na gafara
kayon be wala anye bu fachan manu bile nkwe isi tejara nti no bindirwo kati Katri Panama. There's one who could imagine myself. You want to Jaran to chill.
Yes, lazy tomato mix.
Yama, gadam no lo amle yama.
Mama ndashima. Lazy tomato mix.
Lazy tomato mix moya de mezape za saksima ne zakara. Lazy tomato mix sokam ne borshe.
So pese ubisi kwenye da. So pese ubiti kwenye da. So pese udolo finye naisa. So pese wakuko kwenye da. So pese uknundi de filia. So pese umandi de filia. U custom sindi de filia.
FDA aji edwedie kratwo yi atomu.
Enang Maraba Zankana Institute of African Art and Technology, IAT.
We are adding another what? Half an inch there. But we'll be joining it to the what? To the flare or the gathers down.
IAT nyala shukuru shale anuto kanati boham fashion design, graphic design, entrepreneurship. Fashion design wama ka dagbambi boli tailor shabo. Shabo wama nyala anuto zanchira yobo mboham shale. Chira yob sunsunu wama de nyala din yamboha slimisi boli ben shakna pattern drafting. Din nyanga karana ngwaha freehand cutting. Ai be mianto ni chira yob wama pala din to nang tabata ka zambohan shabo. Shukuru bihma shabo yelia de mama na rakana nza hadi tablada kane. Chira yusunsunu ka babana kama bum pum boham de shelma. Chira yo mata pare banyala ban to bam dabdalia na pabdalia shabo yunjinga shablam diana kanyala amfu malbang sem de la zang pa champulu kabwa na rabaha jolsa danyala akala SHS certificate kabwa na chanla university anto kana shukurungo karwa kata shahara bang shel de no to zanga jahe university pune ayat shukurungo nyala dum fu mal majina kay ku lehre ti video ma anya kam majina nim ku ji classrooms ma pune de pala yan kam na ka jitela na ayi anku canadien pila tela ta ka shi halle intokule ama adna pala yan jishel kule tela ngoma nyanga den ta masandama pinky shears tracing wheel tape measure sim ripper labin chacha ngoma nyala bin yan ta ban shaka zan buhan shamma haltinari ay to kuna de nyala dane.
I'm Betty and a student of IAT. One of the most interesting thing I find here is that we've been given all the tools needed for our fashion learning. Like we have been given industrial machines, so you don't have to carry your machine from home. We have all the available staffs, and also our facilitators are so good. They behave so well with us, so we find the place very conducive for learning, and I want to encourage everybody who has the passion to learn such a thing of fashion to come to IAT.
From a Brewer, maybe IAT every year inquiries 2 months ago from fashion program. Omukacher me say within 6 months, meet me up and money me busumi me woji de say busumi nsan so ne de na meet me pam ade ye pam.
Shukuru ma anto lihlake no oy katarmbo shukuru bala tombo nan bansa ka ban ayat shukuru fis nyala den nan afwa kay ba na bo han le kana kayiko anto kana taboge chira yob ma sunsuni ka boro de la hal entanage shukuru nyala den beji sona yile kay ko kanvel palle mpana kin David Jensen ay malagala de bela jiso plaza ansaha tamin mana balan wa amilan qala gurgo palle ngo jisana Jensen ma ka le yang malaga ti tangal me nyala den pa screen mazo sa shel kam ka ibol ayat office binyala band sata kamin ba fo hayo Kamna Ayat until they get sharp bangsam. Ayat Center of Excellence.
Tabarakallah ya yoma ka bebe kantan ka ya badin chan programa abu angono kan pura ya na na barkanan abu pipir ka pa mbor men mina san hakata po ka pa mina sen food spices la la nyala ka tien po ka pa alisi tomato mix no Mr. Red Motors and the Institute of African Art and Technology aya tambala ma din be jiso na yele ka ba mal fukum se ne pam pam ngoro bete la shabaka mal anfana pa ka yara sa hashar kam ya mala bi pombala bi apa bi apia ko be dundon pune ka tela shab umbe uniya no pulu ni pa ma ma ka so mu chang jisuna yele ay ku tera pu kana pa ga gurgu chanshin ma anusa so jirami sabian ka bolle ni jisu plaza ba ni ma na ka ya na fi sun yana kana na bi bombul ka bornu bwanti la shabo ka bi shar baliyin wa gar baliyin bi ka me zon dulu ko shin na ka NGO nun puru tuma ko shin na ka gwamnati puru tuma ko shin na ka dira amre contract na ka tun don ma bada shin latiya jam jisu plaza ni ma na ka yenye Institute of African Art and Technology Banabini Mane. Yes, Catalamna Studio Mapuni, Yamapuya, first interview ma, the men met Jeep, Utaba, Superstar Mania, Mumpuntigo, Kojinia. Yes, Superstar. Maji. Kaulamba.
I'm feeling good.
So,
Inshallah.
Maria Sumbara Kachama. Yeah, I'm Pira, very papira.
I thought, the Pira, the partner.
Woi na pa wa na ga pra tungu ka tinye bilbil wa ta paya bum ya no kam ya ta ka go wona inshallah la fu woi alhamdulillah pin bla pale okay yes on a very quick one jatana ku boy ka isa ma mi wula ya nyal amin jisuna yili gurgu amin katta ga hati per kumon wula nyini man go five
so now you can the channel
okay
because mami tutmana be shamma you know, so come question on the year. So Tenamian, Tenamon to a mountain at Tenam year.
Okay.
Took upon the Ravian at Tenam year. Okay. Actually, my uncle got to own the Hava John one or Beku Gabi to trousers and Bumbono. But no form got left over. The one on my mouth, Oregon the year, Nirvana Cabana year.
I want to know you can't be here near Kabako,
Bansu,
Cabaresu.
So, to me, you're not saying a Cabansu, Banga to one of a good year. Banga to one of a good year, the Cabaresu.
One of our questions, Bancabi,
Bomb, your program, I care. So, maybe more.
Okay, did to be a couple of years to
so let me go a banana, so drop a song, Sharon. If you do shut and drop on, then you won't a cabin.
Okay, anyway, I mean, the last time I couldn't chance you to perform it, and to take it, come on, like, last time shall I perform anyway?
Yeah, and I perform Sapelo.
Okay. Alright.
Not the best dancers, but I'm a shoe show.
Very well.
Then come to perform.
Okay.
I'm not performer.
Okay. Alright. So, will I Daniel by response?
Oh, the Rachon event. Mammy, some way along. But the Tronco Bumani carriage. So, no Pulona. They do not stay zone to perform. But one way of quotation. I've let you live for a year, can never in.
Okay, that's very well. Let's talk about the team. I mean, team up on Wool and Yelly. I mean, the same people shall I mean, Bandako Tundaba, you know, not be around.
Yeah, land knock on you. Okay, man, let's all family.
Yeah,
we are large. The guys here come, so let's all family. I never tell you, Yama, Mujana Kubjara. So,
okay, all right. You might plan as to you know, album be should be conceptually. I mean, team
yeah, to my love plans.
Okay,
because the planner shown on Pamba. Okay, never near a pump. Because some big feature and share. Okay, don't want to want the yellow ones or mommy. Bonnet to wear
no, the Chinese talk,
bonnet to wear the own puzzle. Mammy, on way for survival. But you walk to you may be shot at the J yellow. Now, okay, one don't now on you wait for.
Oh, the number was Tana.
I salute you, father. Now to you, maybe shot at J yellow.
Okay,
now, okay, so they got to know with someone there. The Tanaku in sound on Nelson.
Okay.
Caradwell Nostra. One done. Which you got the sound about the data film.
I will deal on the carbon. Okay, so Mamma will attend in Lamma. I had a more not going on. The tampon car wash. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Breaking news ma ka meji ko sante fans ma ya. Nungo ma ni cha kar chang fin yela ngo ma ne chang fin yela ngo yen wo pe. O min wan don yi la ba. Be yen process le chang faster. Dina kan wa pick very fast. No di kula tele yi. O min fast kadam yela ba mali yile. Never drop le quickly ya. Ba dina ki san ngo ma nan gwa ba na ne ne tele yi. Ki go go le je ya. So o de ya ma ko ye ma ki pick ngo ma ka run quick and fast. Katinya di yen no sham kala one ma kana ya. But on another one, apart from that featuring ma, anami put no featuring ma. Kaba mi so na mi put no either like any artist.
Yeah, nami number the queen at the side one.
Okay.
Trapper nearby come on 9 pulo.
Okay.
Bamandasu yila ma trapper no peace song.
Okay. Okay.
Like I see upon the so we go to Kalbanda biara na maza.
Correct.
But trapper pie 9 pulo.
Yeah. Okay. All right. You know, this time around industry I don't know in the industry we shady. I let it come on in industry I understand all of it. Come on here young you to Apple will
so young you to the come kai to the left long between.
Okay.
To Sasha come Bentulasu, Sasha come tire so come on going. Because I tuned it to my other long between my couple hero 1 year when you're shot of food.
Okay.
Kabaza into never to lead a land. Banco tire so mammy, still going to tire I'm going to buy them by myself. So I was trying to lead tire, I mean I was born at Chibi. So to let her to live like
I'm covered more to you.
To live like what when on you at the passion, but so now on.
Okay.
Mammy, go on me when you're a bit shot to burn on the mom. I'm going to pound at the mom, so what the sort now on the shell, the Badum Pabum Bishop. So, in your come on, one on a shower, leave on my property shower, then got a little cabana, when shabby industry.
Very well.
As soon now, come me that shell in Charlotte Bazaar, 10 years when Shama then Gala.
Okay. All right.
So,
that's very great. That's very, very great. The Chanfe Yaranga, yes, Mpunyala, you did Chankapoma on TV, to me, Jeepo and Yuri Tamaya, yes, Umalay Pelekabola, particular Yelaman, big pane, then Katin Tropozoya, but Katanako engage in the Tinya, a little information about him, then something that the Michel and then Swai, Kafas Mass, something of Milisaha, then Katanako Charka, but Tin Tropi Yilama later in the show, Kabani Yilama, and find a couple of iron to social into Yilama Zahan and Wayindi. All right, before cutting into Opoma, last time shall Anthrop yield the car Anthrop, the last time shall I Bahil.
Bahil Kabol Nandambia.
Nandampia. Okay, the car drop last time. Kablan drop. Nandampima and let him come and this time around. Will I the performance? The 2 man yellow things anti France. I mean,
Nandambia, Mammy, tight now, the yellow to
Kabiela.
Little Kumaya Hankal.
Yeah.
Mammy, new crop and have a yellow because you to a shot and better food. Man number. Kapara so comes out. They can do pass of come. Because when shot I could be a shot food. I'm a line past the share about Bono from partner because Tao bien. Because my town shall have been traveling to stage be in Chango Shepulu. So been away in Bangman, Yakazamo. I have been got into the Halazat sheep, so we are all very good. Back at Panya. Uncle and Yina will be uncle and but number shall call our carnation Milan. So I took a Bohama, I cut among Bamba because none done like up east now it come out with some wish. Jabani Garmala changes a kind of Pamba, own Paka. So it's now Bohama and young Bazam. So Niro Pami could be like Kadalamang Bamba, Mamma Kuboharama, going is now Hale, Nibunda Cheshukuru, Skurnewa. Maybe top na donya shukuri ka down ye ya jinjam dika down ye shukuri jinjam ka top ye ya liga ba kun fun ko to pam yana mine luro no so la kan da ko tsaya ka kile o tanda na
explaining the song ma don la the cinema pam did not the jam alright di pasale shop first time bono ka bu ba experience so ma first time bono ka bu bitrama baraba are no le jerete to ka
okay na ko Kadala mang bambalama, Kadala mang bambalama, mang bambalama, Nandambi ma mang bambalama, mang bambalama, Bincharan ma mang bambalama, Yelmangle, Jahagushir Tara, Jahagushir Tara, Dumana Wuni, Mpara domini lehni pilsham kalle zungoni besham lehni pilsham kalle zungoni besham zang la pabon turnama domi soda jima I was leave alone but now they call my name now when you come balakatum oi kabagbalon wa ayam pasham nuku kwa koko kan mansam kanin fo biyar dar makan kuto da ta har so anya kacan kadala mangan balawa mangan balama so mangan balama dan dan bi ma mangan balama mangan balama binciralan ma mangan balama
The tire. All right. Yes, very well, very well. Mapuyela yitmin meji po hayu tama. Yes. Tracks alone not on the freestyle mama. The title manual and dampia. Do we drop the track tonight? La particular yila mama puno kati kapi. The TLD to Abdel Fukara to yila mataya. Then channel 1 TV to min meji. All right. Meji. Ariel name yala. Abdel Sommet. Abdel Sommet. Kaman ase abawa yunela. Zibilem Abdel Sommet. Kamen Jimo. Man min la Mohammed ya yule kabumale me.
Yeah, Sommet ma den nakuba ma.
Oh.
Ame den nakunya bebe shawra ko sen bulu ma Sommet guy.
Okay.
So Sommet guy ma so ko la S ko ma.
Okay.
Kache med ma. Kazan G man. So Sommet guy den ko ba ma.
Oh, Sommet guy man.
Med guy den ba ma.
Okay. I get it now. Last time my side and Kali could be in particular.
The side ma. Gurgo den go ka ko. Gurgo Imahna.
Okay. Yes. Imahna you be. So I try but now so Imahna no bua pam. Imahna ni mi adwa. Okay. Yes. Let's go into the song Big Pane title man belabo. Love song nyele. Title man mama wo ne yoro mi lamba. La Big Pan wo ma ya. De man la suka ni ka ta salam.
Yes, true.
Agel
no, let's go get. Let's go. Well, get.
What is your one? So that one I sell them.
With that one,
honey. When I view Panbala, la is a yapil. Well, I should understand no understand it and tries all the ceremony. The Toro come 1 and 2. How many years are Papa not be panning like you? Give it 2 more away you, yeah.
Oh, the minute 2.
Abba,
look at your
all right. Title one yellow people. Okay, great one. And you laugh song. All right, that's very great. I mean, some of the musicians, Ipam Jana, no matter laugh songs, you know from the heart. Come on, historic is on the yinda. So laugh song come the one the channel banga in. So no matter what language you manager come on. Let's go. Yeah, na yellow. Well, so you to a couple summer.
Yeah. Dung man laba oba dung oba nu ko biero la.
Yellow papa yellow.
Oba nu ko biero. Kaje lo shepe o mo yuli na ora o borre o yuli ba yira na. Because yira we ye ile za lo chele ma nge zamba. Ya wo yen to ma ka piga. Aba yan bon ka pasarga. So aga yoni ma ka so o borre yira le ba. So le bi ko don shamba.
All right, engineer will leave you.
Standing ovation.
Standing ovation. You will go with him. Usually.
I'll be conversation on Kobe.
Okay.
I mean, tonight I am there.
Okay. I think he's doing well. Most of the guys, they are doing very well. So pick it up and keep it up. Yes, Deepa Shelbang, but later you want to Kantanga. If you get the 5 on the song, some of these guys are doing very well, yeah. And it's important for the industry that we pick them all up and see what best we can do to help them as well. All right. There's a whole lot about the video. Way forward, ma meji minti masa haban arrangera never satisfies fans masham never arrange venation karachan fenya ya channel on TV meji will drop lajil pile kabol and big pania chakati daily kalamna.
It's standing ovation on the beats.
It's Meji again. Come on back up, why you wanna fuck you can yakpa? Come on back up, why you wanna Jana Faga, Yakan Young Pump. So come no twice, show puro jungle, show me the church in the young song. Show Bola Pija, Kachima Portong, show to the film, Kachima Torfu. Now, what a big bunny, when you look and look bunny. What a big bunny, when you look and look bunny. Oh, what a big bunny, when you look and look bunny. What a big bunny, when you look and look bunny. Yeah, what a big bunny, don't tell me the camera. Come on, get down, be at a bunny, when I'm about to go back and gun it. Then we have to come a bank on it. Oh, young, it's a Kazanda. I told myself the Kanda. Let's all kill my Jazamba. You yell to make a pick. I'm going to chip, Nanchi, Minoke, Obake. That's our family legendary. So come no twice, show puro jungle, show me the church in the young song. Show Bola Pija, Kachima Portong, show to the film, Kachima Torfu. Now, what a big bunny, when you look and look bunny. What a big bunny, when you look and look bunny. Oh, what a big bunny, when you look and look bunny. What a big bunny, when you look and look bunny. Yeah, yeah, mommy. Abami, oh my love, shakam pam pam. Oh, Calapolo bam bam. Oh, Alam Polo bam bam. There's over here so shalako. I'm a lamber so shalako. A congo, Kayambo, baby, I get that bene. Wabiaba Kurtung, and I knock out Wabiaba Yara Kipana. Wabiaba Kurtung, and I knock out Wabiaba Yara Kipana. Wabiaba Kurtung, and I knock out Wabiaba Yara Big Bunny. Wabiaba Kurtung, and I knock out Wabiaba Yara Big Bunny. Yara Wabatam Big Bunny. Papa no lemon money. La Bella Palma by water. The shop I end the Yahata. The Fatamata Amata, the Yahata. Jamanaga.
Nia saya. Badara masani de ya tabarakallah. Meme ya menasin food spices ntepandi si tomato mix lala nyalaka Mr. Red Motors ne Institute of African Art and Technology bepang mampuno ka den chat program ma ka da kanna ma ya saya tumin me jipo hanako bala kati yore taba tun drop video shelter ma ya yeto awala nan karpuni title ma nyala big pania yes ne engineer so mun so bon kum da kayila ma mi ma ngun stand innovation ya saya. Big ups to you, man. I salute you, sir. The team masa ha banku bubmeji kabunka yelle kamza hadin chana ne fast masa ha yes iden mbono ya big barkat zang de tria but oyen nyi yela tukum shele mo kun yelle bielfu kam borna nam yelle no min fast gadam yela ban ambi studio zore yela ne yela ma dam biya na ga fara halde borna kabba baba suli sel karumara ne kabna san mata na wahriya wa uma apuni kaba yem banka man in ready ne drop another song which is a banger. I'm a mini fans gara mo ne be yila puni it is banger that is made from the studio before it hits the studio then you radio BT sabi TV ya katelam na tinye nyame jini yel tishamza njande big panpolo okay on that one ma te pa understand ya no shirka re ngam pa manager ma yen ku yara bi to ayabo bi mi no aba bia yo me o ku bia jisuna bi o ka tishin like jisuna bi kunyu jin kuna nyu we dwa kuna
jisuna ko ko
jisuna ah but Carlos pali ina jisuna ma ngbaru la mbor non pa ina ni mani bi para jisuna be shakam yo bana interface du ko non hala fa no bla ina jisuna ka yara to yemu but this is something about change jabolo La. Oyule, you are
Oyule Fauzia.
Hey, Fauzi, I mean, you get a nice attitude and you've been able to play a role very well in the video. I mean, was it difficult getting her? Director man and you being in it?
Sister
Oh, okay. And she agreed to come in the video. Oh, very wonderful. Okay, that's very great. I mean, some of these things beautify the videos, man. I mean, when you're talking about the love song, tell her the girl because it's talking about the woman in the so sometimes it's difficult to get a girl. When we some stick and man pick money, go out to Nibiso. Kayama Yaraka, Odi, or even non present, but I need to make sense. Like, come on, uncle. Atu so no video map let's go director mule direct apart from engineer ma video director ma I know you
Manifest.
Manifest.
Manifest Studio. But guys won that shoot now. Come here Ghana School.
Okay.
Director Ghana School.
Director ma all right. Very well. On a very quick one before let's go into your social media handles. Let's go into your social media handles. You don't use Facebook.
Use Zeblem Abdul Samad.
Okay. All right. Then you use Facebook. But I'm sure that don't drop us on what you bought on YouTube.
Inshallah.
All right, very well. YouTube handle Marco in Medjima. Okay.
Official.
Okay. All right. Very well. Goodbye. No one at the boon number so that some of the songs I don't put in a be hang on my link to WhatsApp to send it to quality of it. Okay.
0249 80
63 once again one letter makanya 0249 80 63 yo maka baby kantanga ka borla na particular year chatting drop man any other song and na min wumbe and believe na aborla kare yina medji kampuma nyipa mama ka WhatsApp la number ngoma ya the party screen mass or then amanga ku save from number ngoma anytime za ha kanye yile shell kare drop from medji then you can pick that number hala
number in the
okay, no problem at all.
054 35 95
okay.
Okay.
I'll pick it up on the screen. Number shall not make good use of it, whatsoever it is. I'll add another number on the screen. Okay. So that had I call the first one quickly you and to call other number shall in your part of Solaya, the Chakarana to our all right, Benji, teacher Yilama. Let's go. Good drop teacher Yilama. Freestyle, Yelabia Katichana.
Okay.
All right, big panic.
Lily.
Okay.
It's my G again. Let's go family legendary. My number and a legendary. Mununka, come on back up. Or you want to faggy you can young pa. Mununka, come on back up. Or you want to faggy you can young pa. So come no twice, shall put a jungle, shall many church in the and song, shall bola be jacka, shall be tonga, shall do a film, shall do a fool. Ah. Mambola Vicpare, Muyan look and Lupare, 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 Bola Vicpare, come on, got down Pierre Banaconimu to Nakobe Ganga, and we end up our common banker, young the Saint Casanda, Atom Messacadacanda, Laza Uchelmanje Zamba, Yan Tommy Kati Gama, me and Bombe Capasarga, Ungutochi, Nachi, Minoke. Obake, let's go family legendary. So come no twice, shall put a journal, show me the church in the and so much. Shall we go to Jack, shall we go to Tonga, shall we go to we look at Lupare.
Well, selling the people on Bershamaya. Yes, you are.
You are
you made G to one back. You are now Samaro. I'll Samar to Sarah sell the people on Bershamaya. Yes, Yomaka Kantaka in Chelka, yes, NTV, Menasin Food Spices, Lizzie Tomato Mix, Mr. Red Motors, the Institute of African Art and Technology, Bopamana, Arsiki Kapugram Maka, the Kanamaya, Medji Fans Masa, Ibo Ambono, but Sambia number the Modina Kayila Moma Abora on WhatsApp, number Manjala 0249 806369. Once again, 0249 806369. The number shall them paparas of the schemas of Maya and to pick her up. Just say hi, come send the time. I'm in a pong amaya and to check her out on YouTube. The particular year chatting to my title manual big money and to yell on YouTube. Yeah, I could watch shell comes about my G and to WhatsApp number no you flew the information to you and hal even born come in my G cannot no show around my equal number no more. Lasagna and William Pickle, manager Kunola ready and he's very active. Anything about the young guy is ready. Let's go. Way forward manual then. I mean after you don't want to drop it, even before Kana drop it, I mean fancy Kana Mila, will any plans because he don't know even Manshu no. I don't know
Naranchu shall Savilo,
okay, you
shall
Tampion, okay.
Yes. The former street carnival.
Oh, okay, then that's nice. Yes, and response my Dafiela.
Oh, that's something.
Dafiela.
Ballet Tampion.
Okay.
o tam ting ma ngona sa nirba ko yimna he ka ti shaba en performance ma to ka to tabani insha ka bla mi bayan zamma
yes ati ma last weekend ma Friday ma trabi tampion oi ni tam ma o tampion zachi ne tampion nyap tampion lana ne tampion na chimba sa hana pasara to po ya ka papa tanda kana fasa kana com concert ma and you guys supported very heavily yes Israel Fancy Gadam, I mean, GY, there's another guy there, GY. I mean, a whole lot of people came to Poyaka Papa. Thank you so much. Yakub team, Bangada, who it down for that particular show. Yes. So, apart from email plans to do another place. Inshallah. Around, or maybe Gurman or the.
Yeah, Gurman to so it's now meeting young kind of face, and what she took from Philomena. Because something about in China man, the two bella. So till a man, young man, and love it. That is so smart to go. She took a plan on now before.
Okay.
And don't go back through maybe Savlo young at Yarma. Okay. Savlo Tunk Pambana or Bonnie Boulon.
Okay.
So no man, I train one. I like to train one and to come on, Kubuyan, where you got a man. Turube galmiya yina no aba na ban so
aba
no ma
sama na wata ma na so
aba ban so won banku godan dam no
la to ma yire
bonlon
ni ka yina yo
ni ma na ga yina
okay
so ko to ku tam dam ya ko ko ma gura shema o ha na ko chawno wa na ba mebe yi ku changara ku chawon to bien ku jara no wa ka ko lera min ban ku ba lo ka kan ko zare shuru ka ba chekar pa ba ko ka 3 days kan zare shuru
Superstar, all right, that's very well. That's very well. Bolo mate pure kaparia ba superstar ma gui o fe yanga. Yes, stay on call me fama. I mean, the middle ka ko san pa den katinya nya yan po shaba ba ko tabe son ti ma.
Oh, ngo pour da banza ha. Ka pour te cinéma. Le compagnie banca le roman ka ngo promo. Banca te le ka non so ka pour guruma team maza han ko pour team maza chairman Raj ko biao
okay
afa to amba ba
so that you what
ka chi Maria Lazao ka chi agaja ne san maza ko pour manager pour so ka chi bon long ma so abe bien ka chi afo wa ko to kalbza so comme la misawa boga salute
all right
bro tawra to pa to
misawa
ka chi
obela guru okay misawa boga
boga ka chi bro Razak okay to tamza ha so ya so to bo so kam wile kam za ko wumda
ada gelma munda so aka nyi gelma no
ya naila
ci so
abo no fi sha so ben tulle salute
naila o gba sene yo
o gba no be sha
ko sene una ba biasa
de jara
naila no bola ya ka puka pa
fozia pon mon pa
fozi ai meji aptuna ni sene ndola o nyi problem ma amal be ma pa ma sene
it's all
ti ma ka za ha be wo
ya ba za ku shi
okay all right thank you so much to po ya ka pa pam ne ba supporter meji ma manager la Southern area ma sa ha ne ban kupti ma sa ha we most grateful thank you so much yes badi ko nye kam ka wula ya ha if anything happens around meji in la chakara pa ma kan chakara pa fam bis ma sa ha nan ban yin number nan patishki ma so tun to po yir shalama ma I bought the link now watch the video ma be apport la yila ma audio ma no send retra nyin ko non la particular number ngoma hi manager is ready meji is ready directly hala ko kolo goma mangu to pe ka kamilu po hayu tapi ka send yila na ma ya and make sure you go on YouTube and check it out as well tumpo ka pa ka man po yelma na pambo ma sa ha manager so thank you so much once again thank you so much for coming meji thank you so much gurguji suna yil ha to pop kumbon to po ya ka pam we turning the cameras around like I said earlier double track at the yes it's Rahim the rising star number 1 maganyela ngumbian ya mampo yela ye is Rahim yela ngumpo pe album ka album ma kar tulpa we drop la intro to that album intro ma track ma video ma title yela my life no obiabu ya then kati no next the chankantanga the channel on NTV the number 1 is Rahim is my next guest. Neya saya basa anaman de ya anab no ngarma na kubalama ye ban te telge ya ban misasi luya ya ka hasada jini man kwe karamba na ka no nanga fara comme ni jia chan commandera shi chafornum chaya yes menacing food spices inte palisi tomato mix la nanyele ka Mr. Red Mutus ne Institute of African Art and Technology ka be ara sekiti mapuno ka program ma ka kan na maya on a very quick one Mr. Red Mutus maya na kwa shi sanan bala ma ka bi wata wasa damo so pui kana paga run about la anusa so feel free ba ka anu dirgu ka chele ka ba ya anusa so ya ayen yela signboard fiele no kusaya ka sapan na kwa shi Mr. Red sanan bala ma mun ka absonic na ma chana na mama na kana ta malgum baljire ba samatan na ban yadda na mun Mr. Red ngoma obe fukum se puna ka kwara absonic moto balle kam imma mapuka type nyale imma moto ken nyale imma yelo nyale combien type nyale wula ka ku bolle hal penali moto numla de Mr. Red sania ni ma ne dinyala yila to around about an sarkarna aya ay Ghana watan original laboratory ma ay ku yale Mr. Red san ka pare ya dimi nan ka yitan punu pulu in chana feel free badam bi and aku ya na kama banda fara moto na bana ku fara bo okay ban fara luru na mashal ma ka ya halaka can tunu biara feel free ni bi and dirgu ma ka chele kalle anu zazo anye ka signboard ma ku saya ka sam Mr. Red Mutus ni ma na ka absonic nan yadda ti na acham ni ma na ta da amutu ka je gbana ka je reku ka je helmet ka je yelle kam din yabi mutu ma puna har ka mutu ma mal gaddama ka lapsa ni ma na ka ta service ta ya di pa Mr. Red na kwashi kan alamune cham ni ma na ti shahara shani yara ngo kan nan ban problem ni ti ka wiya alright mapu yala ye double track at you around the sumoya number 1 man yala ngo kana is Raheem the Rising Star superstar man yala ngo kana ya and we drop that album and album mama the package in the album mama the ka abin wasa afiso ku majiria when I'm going to take you track by track katku in Paul Chana I'm bound to know this young guy. I mean, he has been underrated. He has been underrated for so long. But Songo, change drop la intro to that album, yeah, in my life, and we're talking about it in detail. Number one. Kai. Number one. Come on, Alan man artist like yeah. Come on, hearing, come on, appear artist in yeah. Superstar. Last week, Batrachan champion. Friday, I mean, it was great.
Now, I check your function, but going on platform, Poker Power, especially now to tape Nanambanda.
Okay, yes.
So, when tape because Zen Pika, Kadiga, Kazan Person.
Very well. The Rachan Figure, I'm sure the Simpson are planning. I mean, the way you are Kagwa Panipul. Yeah. But the other person, I tell my Branya, Bratima, the feeders. Okay. Okay, very well. All right. Pumoti and Noshamia. Chana kuchile hedera, chana chile hedera, because controversy shaya could be a piano at the one that Pierre Banica, but I can actually it so.
Mama, the representative study,
I so. I see the one was switched out.
Oh
no, switch around. Come on, like, when I don't be yakin, oi, Chiefs. I'm here, he won't do a problem. Oh, what's a hurry? I need to night chat out to her. What other Yayo can I do? Oi, now, nothing yet. All right, what's the relationship now? I mean, first, what's happening now? I mean, first, I'm the 5 minutes. What's happening now?
No, I normal level.
Okay.
Mommy, Godfather, so the book can eat to a shell and beautiful. But the no, some other interviews, because I don't know. I never have Mimika, Yamba Alberca album, the Catishanum Yamba. No, all of a sudden, look up to him. The Lion Skin. Okay. You know, Misha Biam first girls, no Mayaku Yamily. No more. Oh, we are. That's what I got. Album, the Ranyala Alberca album. Okay. And the me didn't know my mommy. No album. Okay. Full album, Kayulu, Mala album number. Understand? So, Castani. Albarkatu alabaka mi kanda zan la album so ka sene to ko e woni no on ila na ko ko man no ne ila man na so ne ya impression ja.
Okay.
For that matter on ila mo ni nyama so for that matter ndela album man.
Okay.
Asa so tra ku start ha ila na ma pambero ora pun ngoka de ba.
Okay.
Asa so ka plan do shaka tan. That was then ka kuru na mara so me that sign la album with 1 year.
Okay.
I also ka from then man 1 year ma pa ya corona mi cheta ban album. Asa but ila na maza dan na pun intact.
Okay.
So bon like a minute team man ti bam that then ka ban mo ula kai mo year ma pa ka ban album ma mi ban man tin tra ku yo tin nan bang tin no shamia na organize different album because am palera team ma so comme ça pas ba asa so tra ku yo tin organize yam ula kai ma ngba ula kai ma organize different album kana chi albarka den album ma so because ba den cheka albarka be ile ma album ma pun ma nyam da la yana ma na pun yina ma so to be one of the waste so ka sala pa album shati yina ma as bonus anza because ba albaka album na pun ma intact do ya anza so the nyara din with different songs so the banya din dan kan na on but English ma kala nya issue shaka
okay very well so for that matter lala irin wala la agreement with fans gadam to come out with albaka album then na ko bian okay so the thing kan lala time ma kana ya we pick that one again. All right very well then Pumpong you are coming out with Lion's King album. Lion's King la particular title of an album because when people are dropping album mostly there's a message, there's an information that comes in the album title. So at the moment, is there any information that can?
Yeah. So ma industry happen. So come kutar na.
Okay.
Yeah. Me like the Bank Kingdom like lion yet the symbol. And so for that matter, if you claim kingship.
Okay.
You as an lamb. Lion to claim the kingship.
Okay.
So in that moment, so comes on your king, on your lion. So come on, Paya, Tinanamla, the lions la, Mananyabusana.
Oh, okay. The Lion's King.
So the album. Yeah, the mommy young. Okay. So if Ilana Ma Nijina, can you open yes, album Lion's King.
Okay. It will have a reflection on the album. So you won't track smart to them bank no. This is the Lion's King album.
Because I don't really love song share. I just put a lion. I'm artist who I am a lion. I just love song. No, mama repetition gas here in pump. Repetition gas here put pump so Israel the man. So I got nyasupo oile Latifa. Ka bit kum do ay ko Latifa. Latifa.
Okay, let's go into the album. How many songs in Beri Pune? Track list, how many songs?
14 songs in Beri Pune.
3 songs in Pune. Albarka,
Pupu, Balambu.
Balangba. Okay, the Babiala Pune. Quite apart from that, 11 songs on the Bianmasa. Intro 1 year by 11 songs. Then I won't do
so.
Okay. Will you plan to release the album?
Plans mark unyam that TV non dish album netizen non launching.
Okay.
Like come on
album
come on you wanna we man then album launch.
Okay.
Kala then you album. Okay. As I so album man yina na temala strategy shelter and push it.
Okay.
So ti push album some for some time. Katipa banten ti ula kay matinho zangdi programs partnership like album Lion's King.
Okay.
Lion's King concert.
Okay. Okay.
In Tamale. Lion's King concert in Accra. Lion Katipa banten big program right now.
Okay.
Yeah, it be so.
All right. So for now album market.
Album market not going. Okay. You know, but we are planning to do executive launch against the
album. Okay, all right. Okay. Ayatini antu tiga kamane la apart from Albarka la tres songs on tempo mima. First thing you drop share la
My Life.
My Life. Yeah. Okay. We'll come and talk about that one in detail. Another one yela then. And two tier. Okay, chakanya nyane two pick later. One song, first song My Life, which is the intro to that album. Okay, that's very great. Kanachi Welgubo can feature fancy Kadam. Okay, Kanachi Safi. Key. Okay, that's where Kanachi Balangba, which is the Namikuya Katina. The Karima featuring with Charles. Okay, Niyada featuring Fadi B. That happens in that song. Yes, Kanachi Tarara. Okay, Tarara is also in that song. Okada is also in that song. Okay, Okada, Tibet and Balama. Okay, Pupu Kumbian Katamili. Quite Banyana Dembi Albama Punubu, Nedabunyama. Okay, Nibiane. Another Momanya, that seems to be your. I mean, the Mala I intro in Balama, but it's now a song. Ibiane.
Ibiane, Dinyala, like Yiddish and Run. Like, okay. Uncle tell us to do. That's what he made beat.
Okay.
Can we beat my carry yin yan on those one? I mean, like, Ungula beat my carry yin yan on those one. It Camille didn't appear the Punos on it. Kayeta and Tribe shall. Okay. Kaba did the tribe. So this album as bonus.
Okay, all right. The title Manuel Yibian. Kanachi the Pantichi featuring Fadlan and the Donzi, the Langelaka, Albarka Mama, Dibiri Puni. Once again, Lions King album track listma. When is the Mabi Tasty Makata Inama? Listma and I drop a listma. Tasty Makata Inama. Dinin Kabi Yumobi Kantana, Dinjar Kaboma on TV, Temin Israhim Pohayu Tabia, could drop album, not album title Yala, the Lions King album. Lions King album. Your lion is lion, our lion, he is the Lions King. Okay, Katraction at the Mary Pumani and Dam Bimpina. Apart from 3 songs, Shangapunina, Katamila 3 songs, Maya, then in your Balangba, then in your Albarka, and the Papu, Umi Fancy Karamra, Topashella, Atilibu, the 3 songs, Mama, the Banyala Dumbilla Albama Punia. Number 1 on the album Manuela, My Life, intro song Mambala, and the Pawel book, a feature Fancy Gadam, the Lenya Kasafi Babiani, Kabalang Babiri Pune, then that feature Fadlala, the Karima featuring Wishal, Yata featuring Fadi P, Tarara, okay, and the Pa Okada featuring Tibet, the Lenya Kapu, Babiri Pune, the Kwai, Kanachi, the Bunyama, yes, Yibiane, Kanachi, Dipantichi featuring Fadlan and Titosi, and the Pa Albarka, track list Mambala, the Pativa Screamers, Okabanjarlia. Yes, they come not there are so many people that selectively can be album go featuring Shanaya. Chakanyanya, we shall be in the fancy Gadam be Fadi B in the Tibet, the Fadlan, the Striker, the Donzi, but no can select them be album. What happened? Bishara influence a selection be Arapun decided to come about be album be Yilan Ma and Bunda. I mean, Yilan Ma period don't want
mostly the man Bishaman and Yila like never so to be a Punagar tongue very young. Okay. I was so mostly like Nung Yila. Karati, the Ulagama, the Chanshama, Carbor artists. Okay. That's when into approach the artist. Artist man. So the dweller in an artist man, Amboru
okay. Yes. It doesn't matter. Oh no, but more can born of being album. Okay. Your album is so much problem. Come on, like I miss you. Come on, Karakon. Because your album, you know, like you may have a battle. Swassen the people.
No, miss a problem.
La.
Miss a problem. Miss when I'm a problem, also be a problem. I will soon be no.
Okay, yes, Nte Magbaya, Nanon Polo no more. I mean, Arachani man and Atenon concert, which was a solo concert, Bimblabo. Yeah, yes, what really happened?
Tinamala problem with Bingma, so okay, and so many that so on a settle with the problem. Okay, the Nagatin announced, so they will cancel, then I postpone. The Nagatin announced it. Okay.
So they should do live concert in Bimbila instant and then Nedin Katit man of very set definitely the number one man passes through inside Bimbila. So Bambuarma Niman particularly. Let's go into the first song which is okay, Lelden Manguna, My Life Manguna, e chele mesele ka to ku de video ma ka labna ti de video ma ka labna ye to akam te yel de bari be video ma pu ne ka nya ya ma bi da gwan pamba yanda bu relation ya no comment to atu no bo yiro gom o jarga ka tulum ñu no ka so yelo no sun jargo min la ka ban war bu ya de chankanta ma life is rahim tan labna warma ya la bana ka ko bana ne ya saya the min number 1 ma po hayuru ya is rahimu the rising star. Number one. The Lion's King. This time around, new name, man, but because we are dropping the Lion's King album, yes, tracks, man, can see the pool. Every single track in it, man. It is a standard album on its own. One song comes out, Adam Be Pune, then two make an album. Yes, I'm telling you for a fact, because manung katar, manung soksung, yilama and dam, and yi and ta and nai, halet and nagi, hal abani and dishara, and the lichel mokane, lem balangba. Lema pupu ntepa albarka to la tre ma kon kuno kunya album amma mangwa sene wula yenyela mampunyela yet this guy has been underrated for so long. Trust me, niko kama like people that I believe that they can hold the industry talent wise kakoya yila drop. It is Rahim barama la financial hade be yila ma pu no ba ko yelle ya di pashale on explain le yila ma pu ni de mala ajar la yeto ashale which can you go pump carto be bahanka ya fool that like amal bansam. I mean, you are trying, you are not lazy, but spotlight man as in I hit the past station and the little kamaya no it's Rahim because how to compare to Shaba for Garcia I mean could be around, but talent wise the match I mean you are far ahead of them. Can't you to I mean Hashab Yarlaka wunda my yila mapuna have a yarlama like in a way Karmala feel
like so biagu kangwa biagu bizana biagu ntikem biagu isam biagu mpala bambu yila malawumbu mibichale yilbu no cancel no cancel. Allahu Akbar. In my life I know one problem. I know one problem. I know one problem, oh, but the problem they find me, oh. Problem they find me, oh. Should be problem they find me, oh. In my life, I know one problem. I know one problem. I know one problem, oh, but the problem they find me, oh. Problem they find me, oh. Should be problem they find me, oh. Mama, oh mama. So me now want to my yellow now number solo ni hiki madimi mami yala ngoni to my bukula ndamana terbayan song ma. Yeah, cause I want to feed you, feed papa, feed my brother, feed sister, and again I want to make family la la la. I'm a company in dozen ma, but they can't let me. Be signing my back, but they hear let me. Be no man back, but the part let me. And then the chuku never hear my namni. Ami talibo kan lekutum, yale yama talibo kan lekutum. I'm a ben yama kaba pretendera, nano taba biagu, kamba biagu, desanga biagu, and take biagu ni, sam biagu. Mpala bambu yila malagumbu libichale yilibu now cancel no cancel. In my life I know one problem. I know one problem, oh, but the problem they find me, oh. Lava savreba, biminanda bahal baraka. I'm a buso double yellow fast yella. I'm a Israel living life to survive here. Israel know they beef with nobody. Mess up and the competition. Sekubela kabanga na mi hit one by one. Mbazanang tale so come no time. Now until let's come no time, yeah. Israel yila vela ko obezawra yivela miko ka industry ngobetawra na mi bimini enam nation boss nyela yila tiger gazo na ba yila kare vela ka bichir tam parli tama da bi malama na maltama na yila nyankari ya depune kay nyabdira njara ne cause nobody care if I dey or no dey. Did you be see they chase me and no pay? You get to say if I no pay they no play. That if I not
the number one thing didn't have us together Hey, yes, Ismail, the rising star. Number 1, Maya. The Lion's King is in my guest. And he has just headed up the studio. Oh, the studio. I know air conditioned. Yes, Lion King album, Maya. Track by track, the very Puno Kutola Yala. But I'm a Mandi first intro to that song, man. First intro. Ne deal am na kayan bang na denting binyaga kan na net pala puli. Deal am na bala intro to that song man na ba din yo dun dwel ka te album shell ombole ne Lions King album ma. Den katana yoro dun dwel ma ya. Ayo dun dwel ma ka te yil kuba yil ganda nyala dem biri puli ya. Yes, walgo lo nyala dem biar ka feature fancy gadam safi ba nyala dem biar balang ba featuring Fadlan, Karima featuring Wishal, Yada featuring Fadabi, Tarara album ba nyala dem biri puli ya. Ka Okada ba biri puli featuring Tibet, ne Pupu featuring fancy gadam no kwai nte pa de benyama okay nte pa yibiane lala nyala ka de pantiche featuring Fadlan and Titonsi nte pa Albarka. This a nyala dem bi album apunia 14 solid songs in it, and it's a track that you just can't akutu skip another to the next one ya. Tile album apunia. Okay, tena le menya zungo chana when kare yirna like album mama in full.
They now on the 24th.
24th kare yirna.
Yeah.
Okay. 24th ma album man yirna. How do we get it? The Quembela audio mark, the Mbela or be there will be a way to purchase.
The Mbela YouTube audio mark ne Boomplay.
Okay. Be Boomplay. Okay. If Abora you can just go in, download and you got to go.
So.
All right. 24th kade yina bana ma. So she album ma don ku yina den katana pa ari yina.
First ma pam ba bien ya. Ba pam bien be bola be complain about yina na bandarme.
Okay.
You understand? So album ma the number Spotify, Deezer,
okay,
iTunes,
okay,
Apple Music.
Very well.
Yeah.
So Abora you can just hook up there and pick it up on your own. All right. Tell me my album apuni. I mean, Chananya. Come monitor the album apuni.
No, the can. No, I saw Mamma Lawi. Ma, no, this thing.
So come monitor more at Rapunia
and I got to feel at my beats. Okay,
but that was good to me.
I don't want to monitor.
Come monitor.
And sometimes, Mammy, in that my pony, like Yila. Nilo Pam Mike, Tirbam Nakamane, and Japam Kamuha, like so, like Guy, guy, Zabiro, Namos Akayla and Kabun.
Oh, okay.
So, Canada, it's not monitor, I come monitor Bishop and as a baby.
So, come on, like, come on, soon you need a cousin was unknown, come on, like, Monsieur Quamsham, Monsieur Quamsham, Lucretiam. Come on, take example, you know, come on, wait your example. Are you Catale? Saburu Catale, now Zumba job. I'll do up when you should do 2 years.
I am the way you are going. Sorry,
oh, as I'm yellow. I yellow, but no swallow. To be where you are, I'm going to be a piece of the all right, so come monitor about you know, maybe the channel your pump. I mean, that chunk up, you had to now put I mean, on a flute, then
come on, now, ma'am. Hand perform, but I could have first one bit down. Come on, young away more. So it be song.
You know, I put the one
but like freestyle, I could
freestyle first man. Okay, no, let you like can woman shout.
Okay, Kashim Nyali, the Yala monitor, calculatable, no balanceable. Maso Biani, Romila Snatchable, West of Nyangazo, Unqualan Kalu, Kanashia, money to the who, Mbonang Badri Pra, Dama Bima Bola Dash, the 12 Puru, Onyanapo 120, can Nimpulaza change, Cody Vatama, Mbon no pagan change, can be Birkani, Bula Kanakani. So I go and get more. Where's on the poma? So don't want to fast. Aye. So come million balance. Yes. I quite so cheche can in the changes of bank palifa. I okay, Bitcoin can invest in Kadi shake up boy. You could chamaka money, Kadi do can enjoy. Diago Poneshe Gulma, number 1 umpire you are. The Sula come canon fresh. Umbuzella Poculera. I use the amigo. I Poculera.
Yes. Not calma,
so now I understand.
I understand.
I use the amigo.
No, you see when they come car. The one
who game.
Oh, you see me.
Gaga.
Oh, ganga.
Come on, I pass around so you ship them. So you ship them. I don't know. Bubonium Nigga.
Lovely.
So, game.
Okay,
so
where Kupanas?
So I use the Sure! Sure!
Desire. I'm here to Akatiera, Ismail, the number 1. Yes, Lionskin album, I to Akatiera, cut drop of my life. Then you intro to that song, my you let them be album up on the pan. I let album, then send you in your favorite. Big up, believe in the command. This particular song will touch people, will voice people.
Because songs, my I guess you
because pick up.
Like no woman come on doing my bar minty belly for this time. No woman like believe me. To I mean when me like kawela me.
Kaya.
Sungoro. As I we learn my like 5 lessons.
Okay.
Because the way minimum that no 5 lessons shama. That way nearby. Answer. So mina kula Karima tingetos. Sula ngol. Karima kana neka jarchamba no favorite. So yeah the man no we. So then
no but yadama the one that I mean for the brown fish.
Oh baby divine much. As I say my calamity. No,
they it is a nice song, very nice song. Yes, and okay, no, let's just beautiful.
Dunia mo agba ku kare pale som par kavara. Agba ku kare pale som par kavara. Amamang wal gulon kavara. Dinya la chenji big bakavara. Ay duru yelo ye. Ay nangala kavara. Ka chenche yeli yipaga zongeli. Fara yibaga chengeli. Bantiranu bingo mahali. Ambo shella ka tombenyeli ye. Bamfung bango akumi banangala. Chamdani tinya ke bala cheche. Nkwari yogoti. Cheka yung paka nya yer shebla cafe sabre silimisi Saya
happy the fire. Yes, track album track list ma to that particular Lionskin album the near 14 solid tracks be album punia no so on the 24th. I wouldn't go for the 24th ma album thing you drop it. You can get it on any musical platform shall ampunya yilanemia and to nyele ne fans ma make come shil gulle album ma then pick it up can part decide that I didn't know executive launch ma di shale didn't know major launch ma di shale didn't know tour ma the shale that this will be coming they know kayila ma ha move around because then no carry Lionskin album ma bomborman amal take of the song before the song is performed for you to see. I understand you about so that's another wonderful idea. Katapuru kapara Israhim minti maza hanangba yende. Yes, Israhim didn't come and ask to qualify. Zahmagaria.
Mkwen pula so comes ha ne NTV listeners the problem better kind of program also.
Okay.
Truly mkwen zala puru sunza then kan bazanti boss munye biggest don.
Okay.
The my azar one don mazo so can be the Because so man put the album what in the bazan. So and Nicola major person sharing the year now from the channel from to team.
Okay.
And number one music entertainment. In Chabo Pangoma Pam, Larny King Dallas.
Okay.
In Cha Munuku de Umpa Bashakanza knows on it. Also on the dwelling. Team down the woman. And Tepa manager Hamid.
Okay.
Bosman
manager.
Ala Bosu. Ncha Umba media Bashakanza Chikara Champion.
Of course.
So to go and have some team Avayanga, manager Ken Dallas, manager Hamid, General Ali Farouk, Chairman Bono General, the General. I'm never a Bolo Milo. And Hiroshi.
To formal na chela kaput formal
no mala bosu no poni problem best boys amani
okay
bosumba
best boys amani
bosumba titi mat bosumba
osamano ya
deda ya na jarvin so kombe no so okay so on ko mpula team mazane NF Nation crew maza on come support NF Nation ben yanga
very well
fans man bala kapu gumane zaha kala amfana ti bene Yarma Zampur so comes out. Woman who can be woman can support the team of Venya, the champion, Mporo Zaha, Crew Maza, Fans Maza, the Hood.
Okay.
Album Mama last minute album by the first album by so we are fast by Yabu family.
Okay. She
okay. To go parliament. Come monitor.
Come monitor. Nada to know she go no paga chindia.
Ibi so.
Cheka tiesa kapu kapangu kamza hanan katarka batin chan program ma number 1 fans ma za ha to puro kapar so kaza ha ba dumbla minna no ya alma za ha social da yan kana karada puspula ni dit mana kunyala dan planera so bambi ni mana ma ya alma ko arrange me when the day is set definitely the number 1 yes the partial kinum tunya artist of la particular Lion King ngoma performance ni manifest ya so go ya karakama and ban tableson the team masa ha most grateful on bol wi ama to bol so wi ama sa hatta pagi and it's just because of time we most grateful thank you so much je kan gbanyen san ka puka pa an kam za hanan katar ka ba da chan program ma kon ma sa hanan gbanyen di the team masa ha Rula Mohammed Balama no puka pa apa is always supporting na yugo la gbanyen mo supportera yarma sa abada Black Moon samani ro samani Yarma Saha at World Trade, we're most grateful. Thank you so much. No Poka production team, as always, Abigail MFA, Muyanya Munkupi Camera Namanya, Gaka program, Kadachan Yalanga, Ahmed Yalamumbe, MC Arma. Thank you so much, Bosu. Lanya Katapur Shahid, Kubi Accra, MC Arma. General Manager Mr. Enoch, we're most grateful. Thank you so much. Tutundongo Lanmenye, Bankpalmayim Yalalo. No Kupu Amen Goma, the Samaya, Afekudu Batin is the CEO of EKB Multimedia. Marhaba yen nandam biye salma ka bambu hadar ko ga ndu go tonso kanu sa propanga amani ku nye shelkam zang musulu ka sate no kulun ko la ko man panga Muhammad Hafiz the trender is Rahim the rising star number 1 we out bye bye salam